Linda Ronstadt, one of the most successful and respected American singers of the 1970s and beyond, built her career on a foundation of talent, versatility, and authenticity. Throughout her career, Ronstadt was known for her powerful voice and the ability to seamlessly transition across genres, from rock and pop to country and folk. She was an icon of the 1970s, beloved for both her musical talents and her down-to-earth personality. Unlike many of her contemporaries, Ronstadt often avoided becoming embroiled in overt public drama or scandal, preferring to keep her private life relatively discreet. This made her reputation, to a large extent, centered on her professionalism and artistry. Given this image, the headline, "Left Nothing to the Imagination," implies an unexpected departure from her usually reserved public persona. It presents the idea that she has broken some unwritten rule of the celebrity world and revealed something uncharacteristic of her image. The phrase "nothing to the imagination" often suggests nudity or sexual exposure, but in Ronstadt's case, it could also simply refer to her allowing herself to be more vulnerable or open in some unexpected way. By adding the provocative "try not to gasp," the headline implies that whatever has occurred is so shocking, so against type, that it will leave audiences astonished. In reality, the headline might be referring to a more innocuous event, like an outfit that revealed more skin than usual, a candid photo, or a rare moment of emotional vulnerability shared with the public. Given Ronstadt's career, it is unlikely that the scandal is particularly extreme. Instead, the power of the headline lies not in any actual transgression, but in the way it takes advantage of the public's expectations of celebrity behavior. Ronstadt, who had largely been known for her wholesome image, was not a figure who was known for controversial behavior. The idea that she might have left nothing to the imagination plays with the tension between public expectations of stars and the possibility that even they too can experience moments of imperfection, vulnerability, or rebellion. Furthermore, this type of headline draws attention to the way public figures, especially women, are often subject to intense scrutiny. Female celebrities, particularly those who are not overtly sexual in their public personas, are often perceived as more wholesome or pure. When these women are pushed beyond those boundaries, whether through a wardrobe malfunction, an emotional revelation, or an unexpected performance, it challenges the public's preconceived notions of who they are. In Ronstadt's case, any perceived departure from her carefully crafted image of elegance and grace is amplified because of her long-standing association with purity in her musical and personal life. This headline also speaks to the broader cultural norms surrounding women in the entertainment industry. Over the decades, the way female celebrities have been expected to present themselves has evolved. The line between wholesome and provocative has become increasingly blurred. What might have been shocking or controversial in the past is often seen as less surprising today, as attitudes towards celebrity, sexuality, and privacy have changed. This evolution makes the headline, even if it's based on something minor, resonate with modern audiences, reminding them of how public perceptions have shifted. Ultimately, the headline, "Linda Ronstadt left nothing to the imagination, try not to gasp," works because it takes a beloved icon of the past and plays with the tension between her image and the perceived scandal. It taps into the public's enduring fascination with both Ronstadt's career and the allure of the forbidden. In doing so, it cleverly manipulates curiosity and nostalgia, drawing attention to the ways in which celebrity personas, even